How to fix your Hinge profile not showing. First, you want to simply check your distance filter and age filter on your Hinge if you're having any kinds of profile not showing error. And to do so, what you want to do is you want to simply open the Hinge application over here, and you'll be able to find the discover section, which will look something like this. After that, you want to simply tap on the profile at the bottom right of your screen over here, and by doing so, you'll be able to see your profile menus over here. You can simply tap on settings options over here, and inside your settings, you'll be able to find all kinds of account settings over here. If you want to manage your privacy preferences, you can do it from here. Tap on privacy preferences, and you want to simply check for all kinds of privacy features that will make you available for the public over there. After that, what you can also do is you want to simply go to your profile menu again. Inside your profile menu, you'll be able to find dating preferences over there. You want to simply select your dating preferences over here. You want to simply select your distance preferences, your relationship type preferences, and you'd be able to make all kinds of decisions over here. And by doing so, you'd be able to fix this problem of profile not showing on Hinge. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.